Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.